Hi, I'm Miss Dara and I'm from the Rogers Public Library, and today we're going to do some fun experiments. So let's get started. So I have these cool fizzy tub colors. So these are just regular little tub fizzers that you can use when you play in the bathtub. And then I also have these cool little bitty tub fizzies. These are from Steve Spangler Science, and they're called Color Fizzers True Color Tablets. And there's different colors of these, just like there's different colors of these. So let's see. I'm trying to get all the colors, but I think that's it. So we have blue, yellow and purple of the big ones, and we have blue, a yellowish, and a purple of the little ones. So we're gonna see what colors they end up. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna put some water, and it looks like my bottle is leaking. Oh well, we'll empty it. Okay, so put some water in one of my bowls. We're actually going to do two different ones here. Okay, and we're going to stick a blue one in here. And it immediately started fizzing. Let's do it like this. And we'll put a blue one in this one. See the difference here. So they both are fizzing really good. Changing the color. They're about the same color. So they're just going to fizz and turn blue. So it looks like the color's coming off this one faster than this one. It's also a lot bigger though. So okay, so let's set those out of there, away over there for a little bit, and let it just dissolve and see what happens. So we are going to try to do something a little bit different here. So I'm going to put this is just baby oil, and I'm going to put some baby oil in this jar. So let's squeeze it in here. Okay, so what I put in there was water. So do you think that if I put one of these in baby oil, it will react? Well, let's see. So what does it do? If you can see this here, it doesn't do anything. But as we know, water, which this is just water in here, water is heavier than oil. So let's put some water down there on it, and we can change the color because it reacts with the water and the oil goes to the top. So there's a yellow one. So let's do something fun with that. So we're going to put baby oil in here. And you can use just like a water bottle to do this. We're going to fill it about half full of oil. Okay, so we're going to set that over there. And I'm going to use one of these, the little bitty purple ones, and drop it in there. And then we're going to take water and squirt in there. fill it almost to the top here. So let's put a little bit more so that we fill it almost all the way up. And I'm going to put my lid on. Really tight, and you can like duct tape your lid, or you can put hot glue around it to seal it so that it doesn't leak. But then we have our nice little wave in a bottle. And because we put that fizzer in there, it's still fizzing, so that's going to get darker as it dissolves. So we have a nice little fun bottle. So that's another thing. Okay, so let's do one more fun thing. Let's see if these finished. So it looks like this one is completely done. And this one is pretty much done too. So there was about the same amount of water. And this one is a lot darker because it was a bigger tablet. So I think they make pretty much the same color. So what we're going to do is we're going to take baking soda. We're just going to have a big bag of baking soda. We're going to put this on the bottom of our dish. Trying to get some of the lumps out. Still has quite a few lumps in it. Okay, so there we go, and we're going to take and stick some of these in here. Let's just stick them in there, and then we're going to take some baking soda, and I'm going to try to get some that's already broke up a little bit, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over these so they're just barely covered. So that you can't tell they're there, but you want it to Another fun thing that you can do with these fizzers is if you make oobleck, you can put them in oobleck and cover it up, and they like bubble, and it's really cool. So, okay, so those are all covered. They don't even, you can't even really tell that they're there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get our vinegar. And I'm just going to pour some into my measuring cup. You can use like pipettes to squeeze it in here, or you can use something smaller than I am, but I'm just going to pour this in. So there was a yellow one, and there's a blue one. And it's kind of magical because you can't see it, and then all of a sudden there's all this color. And there's one of them that hasn't shown up yet. I can just barely see it over here. There it is. And you have baking soda vinegar reactions, but it's colorful and it makes it really pretty. All right, well that was really fun. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit and see if we can make it. It's still kind of fizzy. All right, well that was our experiment for today. Thanks guys, you can do all kinds of fun things.